Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Wednesday, November 6th, and I'm going to be analyzing the Euro US dollar starting on the monthly, working my way all the way down to the 1 hour time frame for the full top down analysis. But first, don't forget to check out my website, fxpipcollector.com, if you would like to get access to my swing trade signals, my daily members only live streams on Zoom, and my 34 video trading course, all included for only $30 per month. So anyways, on the Euro dollar monthly time frame, we had another pretty big move to the downside. Like I was been saying, I mean, more than likely this is going to go down, take out these lows before it really does end up pushing back up. So let's take a look at that on the weekly time frame. On the weekly time frame, like I've been saying, it's most likely a double three pattern, 3 waves down, 3 waves up. Probably still going to lead to 5 waves down like this. So most likely we're still going to get that bigger pullback for the bigger wave 2 that we've been waiting for. So let's take it down to the daily time frame. So we had the US elections last night, and well, they're still kind of going on, but they're pretty much over now. And it definitely looked like we had a breakout on the euro dollar. So there is a chance that this breakout is possibly a wave 1, a wave 2, and we're in a wave 3 right now. And this just keeps on going down over the next few weeks in a wave 3 to make that monthly time frame, weekly time frame pattern. I still kind of wonder though if this is actually still all just one trend right here and it's still possibly going to reverse back up, making a more proper looking ABC of 2 before it goes down for a wave 3. Either way, let's take it down to the 4 hour time frame. So like I said, it kind of looks like maybe this is all still one trend. It kind of still makes more sense for me for this to be a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 ending right here, and this to be a wave 1, and this to be a wave 2, and potentially we're in a wave 3 right now. So I would definitely be looking for shorts right now, and if it does just keep on trending down, confirming that it's in a wave 3, then we should be looking for shorts right now anyways. If it does start to, reverse back up really strong and, correct down, then we probably should get back on the long side, because it still probably could go up and make this wave 2. Definitely a little uncertain right now, but elections like this are definitely like that. Going down to the 1 hour time frame, very strong move last night when the results started coming in and they saw that Trump was most likely going to be the winner, which he is pretty much the winner now. So definitely a very strong move to the downside, as you can see. Now it we have a couple options right here. Option number one is this is a 3, this is a 4, and this is a 5 of the higher time frame trend. If that's true, then this possibly could over the next day or so start reversing back up to the upside. But it might be more likely that this is actually a wave 1 on the daily, and this is a wave 2, and this is the beginning of a wave 3. So what we should be technically doing is looking at this move up as possibly being a cut into this move down. If this is a 1, 2, and we're in a wave 3, then this is probably going to be like a subdivision 1, subdivision 2, and eventually it should go down for subdivision 3. So potentially it should get a very strong move to the downside if this really is a wave 3. If it's a wave 5, then it should be obvious it's a wave 5 because it should, just kind of reverse back up like that. So if it reverses like that, then it will probably take out this high. If it makes a corrective pattern like this, then it will probably continue the downtrend. So don't forget to join my free Discord group. It's linked down here in the corner. And as always, thank you and happy trading.